The tragedy of a young person dying because of overwhelming hopelessness or frustration is devastating for the family or friends or a community or whosoever the person is connected with. Parents, siblings, classmates, coaches, and neighbors might be left wondering if they could have done something to prevent that person from committing suicide, to prevent that child from committing suicide. Dear friend, I don't know you, but I know something about you. I know that you are tired. I know you live with demons once they are loud and close. I know how relentlessly they are in their pursuit of you. I know that you spend your whole day trying to silence them and your nights trying to hide from them. Most of all, I know how hard you have been through to hide all of it, to prevent your fine, to paint a convincing smile upon your face, and to act as if there is nothing bad going around with your battered soul. I know that all of this has left you exhausted, that you have numbed yourself to that much extent that your bad thoughts are coming into your mind. So, today I'm going to talk about suicide. Okay, so what is suicide? I don't know what it exactly is, what a person is going through, what are the circumstances, what a person is thinking. I don't know why a person commits suicide, but I want to talk about this particular topic as I'm very much depressed with the demise, with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. He was the actor whom I admire a lot. Seriously, I admire him a lot. I liked him a lot. He was very nice. He was very gentle. I don't know him personally, look, but you can judge a person by his personality, by how he is talking, how he is walking, how loud he is, how silent he is. You notice bit of things, okay? So I have noticed him, he was very gentle according to my point of view. I have watched him doing so many good deeds, good things, and okay, I don't know what he was going through. I have heard that he was having depression or something like that. He was going through some medications as well. So I just want to say this thing: if you are listening me, Sushant Singh Rajput, what about your family? What about your father who is alone, who has many dreams with you, who wants to spend his life with you? He is not having his wife, he's not having your mother with him. So what about him? Who will take care of that person? So I just want to say this thing, that whenever you think about suicide, I know many problems comes in our life and we have to deal with that. I also face many problems in my life. I have been through the same thing. I have been depressed. I have taken anxiety medications. I know what it is exactly, matlab what mental trauma you are having that time, but you need to cope up with this only. Nobody else is going to help you out in this. You are the only person who are going to help yourself only. This world is very mean, dude. If anybody is watching my video who is having such things in his mind, please make sure that do not do this. Okay, so let me give you an example. Suppose you are in your young age or teenage, maybe you will be planning your future. You will be thinking of having a wife or a husband. You'll be if you are married, so you will be planning to have a child, you'll be planning to have a child. So you have so many dreams connected with that particular child. You must be thinking of taking him to the school, feeding him, taking him to the parks, or maybe playing with him. Okay, so there are so many dreams connected with that particular child. So now think, you have spent 20 or 30 years of your life with that dream of your life, which is your child. What if he is going through difficult times and you're not there with him, and he doesn't tell you what is the problem he's facing, and he thoughts of committing suicide? What will happen with you? Think about it. Do not love this world. Do not love this world. Love your family, your parents first. Everybody wants you to leave, everybody wants you to fail, everybody wants you to break down, but you do not need to break down. You need to be strong, you know. Everybody has equal powers. Nobody is superior, nobody is inferior. Even, for example, I don't have anything right now with me. Suppose I'm homeless, I'm jobless. So if I have that attitude in myself that I can do wonders, I literally can do wonders. You need to get that attitude in yourself. अब मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बताती हूँ. आप जो प्लान कर रहे हो अपने बच्चों के साथ, सपोज एक फ्यूचर, एक अच्छा फ्यूचर, आप सपने सजा रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो, वहीं पे आपका बच्चा आपके अगेंस्ट, वो कुछ ऐसे विचार उसके मन में आ रहे हैं, उसकी जो बोलते हैं ना, उसकी दिमाग में ऐसी चीज़ें आ रही हो कि मैं ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा, मरूँगा, और वो सपोज सुसाइड कर ले, फिर क्या होगा आप पे? आप अपने लिए इतना मीन मत होइए कि आप खुद को ख़त्म कर दें और आप अपनी फैमिली के बारे में सोचें भी ना. ये बहुत गलत है. इसका आई डोंट नो वेदर यू बिलीव इन और नॉट, पाप चढ़ता है. दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. Hurting your family is the, you know, it is the worst thing you can ever do in your life. If you hurt your family, that too for life. I cannot think of hurting my family for a day even. How can you think about hurting your father for a, you know, for whole of his life? How will he survive? Who will take care of him? जब वो बूढ़े होंगे उनको सहारा कौन करेगा? उनको खाना कौन खिलाएगा? Nobody will be there. No daughters, no their husbands, no people, nobody will be around them, just you. Think about it. उन्होंने आपको इसलिए जन्म नहीं दिया है कि आप एक दिन प्यार व्यार बाबू सोना के चक्करों में मर जाओ, या फिर किसी और चीज़ों से मर जाओ, या कुछ भी रीज़न हो. Whatever the fucking reason is, I don't give a shit about it. You should not do this. I am not liking it at all. I don't know whether it was suicide or murder. I cannot think that a person like him can commit suicide, you know. Okay, so I'm concluding this video right now. I just wanted to share my feelings with you. I'm not hurting anybody's sentiments. I just want to say this thing that do not commit suicide. प्लीज़ सुसाइड जैसी चीज़ को अपने दिमाग से निकाल दीजिए. अगर आपके दिमाग में ये चीज़ है, आप अपने परिवार का ख्याल सोचिए, रखिए दिमाग में. आप अपने खुद का ख्याल रखिए. जॉबलेस हो, काम करते रहो, कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ काम मिलेगा, कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर मिलेगा. ऐसा मत सोचो कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है, हमें मर जाना चाहिए. 1 साल के लिए आती है, 2 साल के लिए आती है. भगवान भी उन्हीं की परीक्षा लेते हैं. अल्लाह गॉड उन्हीं की परीक्षा लेते हैं जो उनमें पावर होती है, जिनमें पावर होती है उन चीज़ों से टैकल करने की, डील करने की. सो दिस इज़ माई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू. प्लीज़ डू नॉट डू सच थिंग्स. प्लीज़ थिंक ऑफ़ योर फैमिली, प्लीज़ थिंक ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. इवन मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ, मैं जस्ट अपने थॉट्स शेयर कर रही हूँ. मे बी किसी एक बंदे का माइंडसेट मेरे वीडियो बनाने से चेंज हो जाए, मे बी, बट फ़र्क मुझे भी नहीं पड़ेगा. एक बात बताऊँ, कोई मरेगा तो कोई जिएगा तो, क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं कौन मर रहा है कौन जी रहा है. जिनको मैं जानती नहीं हूँ, जो मेरे नोन में है, उनको मैं थोड़ा समझा सकती हूँ. इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं आपको ये सब समझाना चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज़ ये चीज़ें छोड़ दीजिए, ये चीज़ें मत कीजिएगा. आप इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद लाइक करें ना करें, सब्सक्राइब करें मुझे ना करें, मुझे नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. आप बस एक चीज़ जान लें, मैं आपके दिमाग में ये चीज़ डालना चाहती हूँ, ये चीज़ समझाना चाहती हूँ कि सुसाइड इज़ नॉट द कंक्लूजन, सुसाइड इज़ नॉट द आंसर. सुसाइड इज़ वेरी बैड. इट्स वेरी बैड. थैंक यू. बाय. टेक केयर. लव यू.